welcome Shri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, the Union Minister for Communications and Development of Northeast Region. He will share his vision for a rising Bharat in conversation with Nalin Mehta on the theme Aspirations Uninterrupted, Connecting a Billion Dreams.
Let me start with a question that affects all of us with a mobile phone and a SIM card and WhatsApp. There is a guideline coming in force from tomorrow on SIM binding directions कि अगर आप WhatsApp को अपने कंप्यूटर पे खोल के देख रहे हैं तो और all of us using laptops, computers, phone तो उसमें कुछ घंटे के बाद वो बंद होगा and you have to do it again. So is that guideline, is there any chance of any extension on that and is Meta going to comply?
Let me first start by saying that telecom and mobile technology today is no longer a luxury. If you will, in many ways, it is almost like the blood coursing through our veins. It is the invisible digital highway on which not only communications run, but it becomes in many ways a carriageway on the basis of which commerce, communication, livelihoods, and economies across the world run. So very akin to what happened in the Industrial Revolution almost over a century ago, where you had the world powers building out railroads and highways. This is what I call in Hindi the Adrishya Adhosanrachana, the invisible highway, which enables a lot of content to go through it. Now, when that happens, then there are a lot of economic positive externalities, but there are also some negative externalities that accompany it. And it is our job at the Ministry of Communications to make sure that we have a firewall, if you will, in place that prevents negative externalities from taking advantage of this system. Whether it be cyber fraud, whether it be digital arrests, whether it be even beyond that, other nefarious activities, and I won't allude to it, you know what I'm talking about from a national security point of view. And therefore, SIM binding has become the need for the day. Because otherwise what happens is that when you first connect your phone to a lot of these OTT platforms along with a mobile number, and then if you remove your SIM, those OTT platforms are still very active. But I can't trace who the identity of that person is who's conducting these activities. So if Nalin, for example, conducts those activities and he's removed his SIM from his phone, I cannot trace the identity of Nalin Mehta. And therefore, to be able to do that, SIM binding today becomes mandatory from a security point of view. Now, we've issued a regulation that stands, as I've mentioned in a few interviews before, and we do hope that all service providers come on board, because this today is my fiduciary responsibility to 140 crore Indians, which I cannot stray away from.
When do we expect SATCOM services to be in effect, like Starlink or OneWeb or GeoSAS?
So satellite connectivity is, if I may say, is mandatory. As communications minister, it is my job to ensure that every single citizen in my country has the full bouquet of services in front of him or her to choose from. And that means not only 4G, 5G technology, that means not only broadband, that means not only VSAT, that also means satellite, because satellite can go where no other technology can go. So where it is very difficult terrain, you cannot lay the OFC fiber, you cannot have backhaul, you can't have fiberization of towers. That's where satellite takes over, one. Two, God forbid, but in the case of natural calamities, when all other systems go down, satellite is the only system that stays up. And therefore, for me, it's mandatory that to have this technology in India. As far as government is concerned, because spectrum is going to be given by assignment and not by auction, we have to come up with a spectrum price. TRAI has just reverted with their recommendations. DOT will synthesize those recommendations and come out with their decision on it. And then we will announce the spectrum pricing. When both of these happen, one responsibility on the side of the satellite operators and one responsibility on our side. When both of them converge, operations will start very soon thereafter.
Right, Mr. Scindia, thanks very much for being so candid and forthright as always. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand from the top of Jyotiradityya Scindia.